Hey, it's Sammy on Friday, August 23rd. We had 5 trades today for 5,270 pips. Let's take a look at that data and see how these trades played out. We actually took 5 trades today, so this is trade 1 of 5, just right after the market opened and all the manipulation. We started to short. We had just short time frame data that we were working with. We were heading down towards the 61.8 Fibonacci level, hit a area of support here, so we're going to go ahead and lock this trade in with 730 pips. We did already have our break even set, so this trade was protected the whole way down. So you can see that last short actually did make it down to the 61.8, and we are coming screaming back up here. This is that trade for that FOMC announcement at 10 o'clock. So we're going to go ahead. We've got all of our time frames hitting momentum, all of our time frames hitting sentiment. Going to go ahead and enter. We're going to set that stop loss to break even right here, and we're just aiming for yesterday's high at that Fibonacci 100 level, and we're going to lock in 900 pips. This is our third trade, so we were just going long, tested that high of day level, made a new high of day today with that blue tracer. The data is still holding and growing. So we have 4 time frames with massive momentum, 5 time frames with massive sentiment, as you can see in that left-hand panel. We're going to go ahead and re-enter this trade long. All right, this trade's moving pretty good now. We're going to move that stop loss to break even, plus 25 per position. We are actually hitting 41,000 right now, so we're going to go ahead and conservatively lock in 1,200 pips. This market data is holding. You can see we have 2 volatility breaks all the way at the bottom of that panel. We also have in the middle section 4 time frames, 5 time frames with sentiment, 4 with momentum. We're going to re-enter this trade long. We're going to take what's called a ceiling trade, where we're going to just go back up here. You see that little pair of scissors, and we're going to go ahead and lock in our profit there. We have this strong data. It makes really fast, amazing moves. We can be really conservative. We're going to go ahead and lock in 1,020 pips here. This is our 5th and final trade. You can see we went back up on those last few trades and hit that 123.6 Fibonacci level. And now the data is flipping over on the short time frames for what's typically known as a pullback or a setup for the next moves. We're going to take this down to that daily R1 when past resistance begins to act as support. We're real close to hitting that. We're going to just go ahead and lock in this 1,400 pips right above R1.